Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Facebook account name on PC or laptop. If you're using Facebook on your PC or on your laptop and you want to change your account name, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser. Just open your browser and here just open Facebook. Just search for Facebook here and just try to log in with your account. And once you have logged in, now on this screen, you just have to click on your profile icon at the top right. Just click on it and then click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. And after that, you might see this type of interface. You just have to select account center from here. Just click on account center. And here, just select profiles and then click on your Facebook profile here. Then click on name. Now on this screen, you just have to try to change your name. And once you have changed your name here, just click on review change. And here you can select any option from here. I'm going to select the first one. Just click on done and it will change your Facebook account name. So in this way, you can easily change your Facebook account name. Now just reopen your Facebook and you have to check if your account name has been changed. Just click on your profile photo here and it will see or it will show your profile. So in this way, you can easily change your Facebook account name. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.